Hey guys, it's Lucy and welcome to Gaming with Lucy. Today I'm going to be trying out a map. It's called Subject, Chapter 1. Let's get into this. Right. Story. One day you woke up on a grass, not remembering anything that happened before, but what worse, you cannot remember your name or your family. The only thing that you can remember is the word subject. So creepy. Where am I? How can I get here? Doesn't that mean how could I get here? How did I get here? What has happened? Why can I not remember anything? Well, you can remember subject, that's a good thing. Whoa. I just want to take a minute to look at that. You see a giant wall surrounded this place, forming a shaped box. God, what is this? I just said that. You can see a writing on the wall, and you decided to take a closer look. You don't say, what does this say first? Test subject, chapter 1. The beginning, okay. Follow him on Twitter at Danny Devils. I'll leave his Twitter in the description below. Rules. Don't break blocks unless told to so. Don't cheat or use any mods. Play on normal difficulty. Okay, I'm on that. Play on normal difficulty. Change difficulty when told to. You can break this sign after you've read it. So satisfying. Hello, subject number 37. Welcome to the test. In here you'll get all you need to survive this place. And I'm not gonna tell you how. You must know that yourself. You must know that yourself. In a couple of days, the gates will open and your test will begin. Good luck, 37. God, I don't believe this. Now I'm in a lab rat. Now I'm a lab rat for something. Oh, for some flipping experiment. Okay, calm down, he said. You said that gate will be open in a couple of days, so I must find a way to survive this place. No objectives. Survive for 3 days. You're allowed to craft items and breaking block. You can do whatever you need to do to survive. Okay. So I can destroy this. And I have to survive for 3 days? Please tell me we have sheep so I can sleep. So. Don't know why I'll need water, but I have a bucket, but you never know. Basically, we're just doing normal Minecraft. You have to survive for 3 days, that's ages. I've also looked on how long this map should take. It should take about 60 minutes, and, well, 90 plus minutes, so there's going to be about 9 or 10 episodes, because all my videos are roughly 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, enjoy! I probably won't do any, like, out of, videos, stuff. Got a sheep. How many sheep do I have? We found one. Wait, they said I could explore. What's this? We'll open in 65 minutes, more or less. It's not open in 85 minutes. Feel free to break it. Okay. I thought that was like some form of like place to get iron and stuff. Something helpful, don't know. Just where I will escape. Oh, do you like my outfit? I'm Galaxy. I'm the Galaxy. Oh, the kind people. Oh, God. I've just realised you need 3 more. They gave us string so we could do that, and What do you need to make a bow and arrow? Oh wait, don't you need a crafting table to make a bow and arrow? That could be it. It just said survive 3 days, so I'll make a bed, bow, and a pickaxe, and I dig around a bit in search of some cobblestone. Then like get a stone sword and stuff. Oh, the apples. No. Oh, God's sake. Obviously, there's no blooming stone, isn't there? Only stone I have is around here. What's the top of this, do you think? Oh. It's gonna hurt, it's gonna hurt, it's gonna hurt. Oh, no, it didn't hurt. So, I should probably make myself a sword. Wooden sword, boom. Then, it says whatever you need to survive. I can't just live with wooden swords, can I? Thank you. Oh, okay, hard to get me. I was gonna complain. Ah, yes, 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 yes. Little mining area. Can I see any cobblestone around here? Okay, I'll just use it to break. Alright. That won't be there for no reason, surely. It's just... And I'll get my levels up as well. Never know, there might be a crafting table, enchanting table somewhere. I'm being optimistic, okay? I forgot to time how long we're in. I'm sorry, okay? Hello, chicken. Hello, chicken nugget. Shall I put you out of your misery, mate? Ooh, I got a chicken nugget. One thing. Achievement unlocked. Hello, chicken nugget. They need to add that on it. So, as an achievement. Right. What did I get that for? Torches. Might make myself a fishing rod. What was it I was out of? Was it sticks or? Easily. Right. Oh, this is cobblestone. God, did I really just say that out loud? I'm guessing we can get this. Oh, too late. I'm getting it now anyway. It did say break anything you need to it. So I'm just gonna get ready to play something there. Okay. I can scabble this. Breaking cobblestone. We're nearly done yet. Right, I think that I'm going to place my bed down and sleep. Let me sleep. It is not, isn't it? Go on, be nice, mate. Be nice. That's a zombie in it. Oh. It's a blooming cow. Alright, it's a perfect time to end the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all later. Bye! When I finally get to Wendy.